Python's fantastic with strings, and you're going to learn now how to dice them, how to slice them. This is called slicing, and that means I want to take a portion of a string. Let's see that in action. Pay close attention. When we slice strings, you will have a colon inside brackets, and that represents slicing. If you slice with a negative number, that means start at the end and go backwards. Slicing with a positive number indicates the starting position and go up to the nth position, but do not include the nth position. Remember, the position starts with 0, and that's the first character. So here's our quote string. It's a Japanese proverb. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Let's look at all 5 examples. Our first example, print quote string. There's our bracket, 0:3. That means start at the beginning, so it's a positive number. And we're going to go 0, 1, and 2. The 3, we do not print the third position, so it's going to be FAL. Our next example, we're going to start in character 6. Even though it says 5:16, we start with 0, so this is the start in the 6th character, and go up to character 17, but don't print 17. And you're going to get 7 times. Our next example, bracket -14, end bracket. Start 14 characters from the right and go to the end. Stand up 8. Next, we're going to have :-15 and then our end bracket. We will start at the beginning and print up to the 15th character. And we're going to get fall 7 times dash. And then lastly, we're going to have a -5. Then we're going to have our colon in our end bracket. And then we're going to say plus, double quote, slices of pizza, end double quote, which means concatenate these 2 strings, which is really going to get us 8 slices of pizza. And that's how you slice strings together.
This lesson is brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Serving the data warehousing needs of the world for 20 years. Check out coffingdw.com for more information.